He's got a big old hat, that sailor hat like this one there, a little bumpy bit like that there, and then he's got a nice little strap here with a button there, and then what we can do is bring a peak of his hat around here like this. That looks nice. Then we can bring his face down like that. Bring his cheek around like this. This is fun. There's his chin like that. Popeye's got a funny chin, doesn't he? And we'll bring his nose, or I'm sorry, his ear here like that. Give him some texture in there on his ear. And the back of his head around like that. Perfect. Popeye's nose can come like this. That looks good. He's got a funny eye, one eye there like that. And then he's got a bit of a brow here like this. That looks good. This eye's always closed, just like that. Always looking mysterious he is, with a funny little grin and a cheek here like that. Looking good, everybody. Now we can bring his top of his head in here like that, just to meet up with his cap. This looks nice. Popeye always likes to smoke a pipe, so let's bring a pipe out like this, right about there like that. Finish it off there. Little cylinder-like bit here. There we go. And bring it around like that. There's Popeye's pipe. Looking nice, everybody. Now we can get to Popeye's body. His neck will come down like this and like that. This looks good. Give him a bit of a heart for a collar bit here, like that. There we go. There's the top of his shirt. Looking good. And then we've got shoulder bits right about here and here. This is nice. Now Popeye's got big arms, so let's draw some big arms on him. This is Popeye's main thing right about here. He's got big sailor arms, he does, with a big tattoo right here, just like this. Looking nice, everybody. That looks good. And then we'll bring the other bit of his arm down like that. And there's his elbow right about there. Bring that on up like that. And there's his first arm. That looks nice. And then what we can do is we'll have his arms folded a bit. There's his other elbow there, and we'll bring his other big arm down like that. There we go, everybody. Squeeze those in like that. And here will be the top of this shirt right about there. Looking nice, looking nice. Now Popeye's hand from this arm will be coming up from underneath, just like this. One finger, 2, 3, 4, just like that. We'll bring his cuff up like that, and then the rest of his arm down here like that. Top of his shirt like this here, and a bit like that there. Very nice, everybody. Give him a bit of a button inside there, and a line here and there. Sweet. Oh, I like it. All right. Now let's bring Popeye's body down a bit. Here's his back. He likes to stick out his chest and his belly a bit, I believe. So I'll do this. Then we bring his arm belly up like that. Give him a button here on his shirt. Looking sweet, everyone. Oh, I like it. Alrighty, now we can draw his belt right about here. Bring this belt down like that. And a buckle there. Oh, I think this is fantastic. Now there's the bottom of his pants here. Right here. There's his knee. Knobby knee for Popeye. Just like that. Get his bum like that. And his other leg like that. Very good, everybody. He's got cuffs on his pants, just like this. We'll bring this leg up like this. Very good, very good. There we go, like that. And the back of his leg on this one here, like this. Good work, Let's not forget the cuff on this pant leg. Just like this. And like that. And the same over here for this one. Alrighty, this is great. Let's give him a knee bit here. Sweet. And then Popeye's shoes will come up like this here. Around like this. Give him a bit of a heel. Very good. This one too. Bit of a heel. And like this. Good work, everybody. Let's give these shoes a little bit of texture here. Here. And maybe a bit of a sole bit here, like this. Very nice, everybody. It's Popeye the Sailor Man. Now we can get to the color. Popeye has light skin color, a black shirt, a red collar, blue jeans and sleeves, brown shoes, yellow belt, buttons, and pipe. Thanks, everyone.